Everyone talks about welcome emails and sales blasts, but the truth is those aren't the automations that quietly grow your revenue behind the scenes. There are a handful of automations almost nobody is talking about, and yet they consistently drive more sales, more clicks, and more customer loyalty. Thing is, most business owners never set these up. Why? Because they don't even realize they exist or how powerful that they truly are. Today, I'm showing you 5 underrated automations that are doing the heavy lifting in the background, and once you turn them on, they just keep on going, like a money-making machine with your name on it. Hit that subscribe button if you want simple, powerful email strategies without the overwhelm. Number 1, the interest tag follow-up. If someone clicked and didn't buy, that's not a no. That's a warm lead, waiting for a nudge. Imagine you walk into a boutique, you pick up a jacket, you admire it, and then you put it back and walk out. You liked it, you just weren't ready yet. What if that store could follow up with you only about that jacket? That's exactly what this automation does. You want to set a trigger for when someone clicks on a specific product or topic in your email, but doesn't purchase it. You want to tag them, and then you want to send a short sequence about that exact product or topic 1 to 3 days later. It's hyper relevant, it's low pressure, and it converts way more than a generic reminder email. All right, number 2, the post-purchase tip series. Most businesses stop communicating after the sale, which is a big mistake. Huge. If someone buys your product, they're excited, but they're also a little bit unsure. This is your chance to make them feel like they made a great decision. So after someone purchases, send 2 to 3 follow-up emails. Pro tips for getting the most out of the product that they purchased, bonus resources or FAQs, and then and only then send an upsell to the next level product. Only if it feels like it's helpful or a logical next step. This builds trust, it increases customer satisfaction, and often leads to repeat purchases. Moving on to number 3, the Milestone Surprise email. So everyone expects birthday emails. But you know what really surprises people? Getting a "you've been with us for 1 year" email. Think about when Spotify tells you your most played song of the year. It feels personal even though you absolutely know it's automated. So set up an email to go out on their 6-month or 1 year subscriber anniversary, after they've made a certain number of purchases, or when they've opened their 10th email. And inside you can include a surprise discount or a personal note or shout out. This kind of automation makes people feel seen, and that's what builds loyalty, and sometimes even fanatical love for your brand. All right, next up is number 4, the Reactivation Tease. You don't need a huge list. You need to shake up the people already on it. Inactive subscribers are like people who ghosted you in real life, but still check your Instagram stories. They're lurking. They just need a reason to engage. So win them back with a reactivation sequence that asks, hey, are you still interested in hearing from me? Or offers a surprise discount or exclusive content, and uses pattern interrupt subject lines like, we miss you, is it something we've said? Or this email self-destructs in 24 hours. This gives your list a second life and brings back subscribers that you thought were lost. Now, pro tip here, if it's been a while since you emailed your list, don't blast everyone at once. Start with a small segment, test a few subject lines or offers, and see what actually gets people to click. That way, you warm up your list without burning it out. Number 5, the mini launch countdown automation. You don't need a massive promo to make sales, just 3 strategic emails and a timer. Most people think you need a huge launch to sell something new, but momentum comes from action, not perfection. This automation lets you test a new offer without blasting your whole list. Use it when you're introducing a new product or service, or you're validating a new digital offer or freebie, or you want to build hype only with people who've shown interest. Trigger the sequence when someone clicks on a product waitlist, for example, or visits a sales page, or engages with a teaser email. And then send 3 automated emails. The first one can be a coming soon to build excitement. Next, you can send it's live to share the offer with a bonus. And then a last chance email to create urgency with a deadline. This gives you a micro launch experience without the stress of a full-blown campaign, and it lets you gauge interest before you scale. See? You don't need 50 emails or complicated funnels. Just these 5 automations, layered one at a time, can completely change the way your business makes money. And if you're ready to go deeper and actually implement these without second guessing, I wrote a book for you. It's called Email Marketing Sales Made Simple. And inside I walk you through how to write your emails, when to send them, and how to connect them into a system that drives consistent revenue. You'll find the link below. Grab your copy and let's make email your most profitable channel. And once you've got your automations planned out, your next focus is on writing emails people actually want to read. I break it all down in this video right here.